Good day, friends. It is me, HLModTech, and I'm back with another channel update. So let's get cracking. So HLModTech has covered everything that I've ever found interesting, and if you're ever trying to keep track of it all, it's quite a mess. So I am starting to work on putting it in separate places. So my friends, the first thing I'm doing is I have created a second channel called Doodle Jams, and from now on all of my music, my royalty-free creations, everything like that is going to be in the Doodle Jams channel. Now if you're interested in finding the Doodle Jams channel, there will be a link at the end of this video. You can also go to the very bottom, and I am highlighting it as one of my featured channels, so that way you can find them super easy. Currently I'll be uploading all the songs I've already created as I move them away from the HLModTech channel. Hopefully you find this idea useful, and if you want to give me feedback in the comments, that would be fantastic. Friends, of course, if you enjoyed this video, please give me a like. If you got a question, comment, or a suggestion, add it down below. If you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Smash that subscribe button, and last but not least, hit that notification bell if you want to be the first to know when there's a brand new video from me, HLModTech. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.